Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this episode, we delve into a foundational element of regulatory compliance and product quality: the Quality Management System, or QMS. A robust QMS is non-negotiable for manufacturers, and the landscape in the United States is undergoing its most significant change in decades. On February 2, 2024, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration published its final rule, officially replacing the long-standing Quality System Regulation, known as the QSR, with the new Quality Management System Regulation, or QMSR. This is a monumental shift toward global harmonization. The new QMSR achieves this by directly incorporating by reference the international standard ISO 13485-2016. This change aims to streamline compliance for manufacturers who market devices both in the U.S. and internationally, reducing the redundancy of maintaining two similar yet distinct quality systems. The final compliance date for this transition is February 2, 2026, giving the industry a 2-year period to adapt. While the new QMSR adopts ISO 13485 as its core, it is not a complete replacement of FDA oversight. The FDA has integrated additional requirements to ensure alignment with the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. Manufacturers must be aware of these key additions. For instance, the rule adds specific provisions for the control of records under Section 820.35, detailing requirements for complaint and servicing records. It also retains more stringent U.S. requirements for device labeling and packaging controls under Section 820.45, an area where the FDA identified ISO 13485 as less comprehensive. Furthermore, certain statutory definitions, such as device and labeling, will supersede those in the ISO standard to maintain legal consistency. This transition profoundly impacts QMS auditing. The FDA's previous inspection model, the Quality System Inspection Technique, or QSIT, will be replaced with a new methodology aligned with the QMSR. Perhaps one of the most critical changes for manufacturers is the elimination of the exemption that shielded internal audit and management review records from FDA inspection. Under the new QMSR, FDA investigators will have access to these documents, aligning their authority with that of notified bodies and other global regulators. This change underscores the importance of maintaining diligent and thorough internal auditing and management review processes as a cornerstone of continuous compliance. To prepare for the 2026 deadline, manufacturers must conduct a thorough gap analysis between their existing QMS and the new QMSR framework. This involves updating procedures, documentation, and terminology, as familiar terms like device history record will be replaced by concepts like the medical device file from ISO 13485. For companies already certified to ISO 13485, the transition will be less intensive, but will still require careful integration of the specific FDA add-ons. If navigating the transition to the new QMSR or managing your global regulatory strategy feels overwhelming, the experts at Pure Global are here to help. We guide companies through the complexities of global market access. Visit our website at pureglobal.com for more information. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.